dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Tirupati Naik, Director, Corporate Trainer of Parametric Solution Private Limited Company, located at Thane West. Our USB is wisdom, happiness and satisfaction. We are authorized a certified ISO 9001-2008 company affiliated with Indian Technical Education Board, Mumbai. We are proud to be member of ISRE, Indian Society for Heating, Refrigerating, Air Conditioning Engineers. Also a member of IGBC, Indian Green Building Council. Dear friends, like today's topic is going to explain you about computer numerical control, that is CNC. It's a very professional engineering course. So let me to explain you about, before anything we want to start the program, once you get the drawing from the customers, first we have to read the drawings properly, and then we have to do the toolpath generating, that is coordinate system and G&M code. And then we have to do the part programming, and we have to do the programming editing according to the program and as per the drawing what we read. And then we have to do the job setting on the CNC machine, and then we have to do the proper tooling on the turret, and then taking the offset for workpiece 00, and then to execute the program, and we run this program according to that. Here the job project 1, with the example I am explaining, this particular drawing we can read it and understand this. So this is, the job is a counter milling program which will be done on milling machine. So the starting point is 1. From here we go to the first point. From that first point to second, third, okay, then fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and first point. This is the profile we going to remove the material. After reading the drawing, so we have to find the toolpath generating for milling machine. So with the help of G&M code, and to understand the coordinate system here. Now we are going to start writing the program step by step for this particular drawing. Okay. So the first step is, the program is always start with O and 4 decimals. Here I have taken the program number is 2244. Okay. The second block is N05, then G94 is a feed per minute. Okay. Then G21 is metric in unit. Next, tool reference is N10 block number, G28, G91, X0, Y0, Z0. Okay. So this is the one statement for taking the tool reference, that is the tool position, that is called a turret. The next step is N15. Now we are going to change the tool in the turret, that is M06, fifth tool, that is T05, then tool length compensation G43 and offset D5. Now next step is block number N20. Now the spindle which rotates in the clockwise direction, that is M03, and spindle speed is 1200 RPM. The next step is N25. G54 is a workpiece 00. This particular point I am going to take a reference with the tool to touches to the top position, that is Z0, then towards the bottom side face is to touches, that is Y0, and towards left side facing to this side, that is X0. So that 3 particular X, Y, Z0 will be entered in G54 page, that is offset will be taken. Then absolute coordinate system, according to what I said is the absolute coordinate system, that is Cartesian coordinate system also we call, and that is the G90 code. Then this is the rapid traverse, the tool which moves from the home position to S point, that is G0 x minus 20 from this origin, this is minus 20, and y from this distance is a y is a 15 mm distance here, and z axis is 5 mm above, and here I start the coolant with M08. After this, block number N30, the rapid traverse tool 5 mm above from this position to first point with G00 x 15. Then from above 5 mm, now from here 5 mm above, the tool moves inside with depth of cut minus 1 mm. So the block number is N35, Z01, Z minus 1, and feed is 80 mm per minute. From this linear interpolation, it goes to second point, that is N40, Z01, x59. So from origin 0 to this distance is, okay, so that is 60 and 15, 75 minus 16 mm. That second coordinate system is x59, and feed is F150 mm per minute. Then next point, third point is N45, G03, that is circular interpolation of 16 mm radius circle, and the coordinate for third point is x75, y31, and the radius is r16, and feed is f80 mm per minute. From third point to fourth, that is again next is N50, Z01, that is linear interpolation against from the circular interpolation to it changed to linear interpolation, that is G01, Y53. So 38 plus 15 is that is 53, then feed 80. Then there is a taper from fourth point to fifth, that is N55, G01, X51, Y65, this particular point. From X is this distance, Y is from here to this distance, okay, from origin. Okay. Then next step, sixth point is N60, block number G01, linear interpolation, that is a straight cut with X29 mm, that is 15 plus 14 mm. Then from here again the clockwise circular interpolation, that is Z02, X15, that is this distance is 15 mm, and from here to this distance is Y51, and radius is 14 mm. So N70 point, G01, Y15, the distance, that is here to this point. Then again the tool which moves upward 5 mm above, that is N75, G00, N5. Then from here the tool goes back to the S position, N80, Z00, X minus 20. Then from here, stop the coolant off, that is M09, and spindle off, that is M05. That is the N85, M09, M05. And then from here, the turret which moves to the tool reference, that is G28, G91, X0, Y0, Z0. Then program off, that is stop and rewind, that is N95, M30 program. Now next we are going to show you how to run this program, that is called a simulation. Now I am going to show you that. So after editing this particular program, now I am going to show you how to see this program is whether it is right or wrong with the help of a simulation software. Here I am going to start this, okay. So now here the program which is started from the origin, okay. Then S point, it goes to the first point, then it goes to the second point according to this program step. Then there is a counter radius, third point, fifth, then sixth point, then seventh point, then clockwise radius, 14 mm radius, and then goes to the first point, and then tool which lifts up 5 mm, and then it goes to the starting position. So this is about the simulation of the program of a counter milling program. I hope you are enjoyed this CNC programming video. Thank you so much. Visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell button. For more info, see our YouTube description. Thank you.